For my interactive technology tool, I chose to use Peardeck. In Peardeck, my students will learn about the energy of motion and apply it to a roller coaster scenario. My learning target for the day is that students will identify places where kinetic and potential energy are present and change. To begin to use Peardeck, students go to the Peardeck homepage and go to Student Login. Then they choose their name if there are multiple accounts. It's all run through Google. Then enter the classroom code that I would provide. That logs them into the test or the activity that I have put up on my teacher page. Now, Anna already started this one, so as a teacher, I'm going to go to the next slide. This slide asks that students draw up the places where potential energy is the greatest. So students can choose their color, could go with green this time, and then draw right onto the slide where they think potential energy is the greatest. So right up here and right up here. That's right. So on my teacher view, I can see exactly what Anna has drawn on her slide. And I can see where all the other students have as well. The advantage of using Peardeck during class time is that it allows everyone to do the same exercises at the same time, rather than using physical models for this, which would be much more cumbersome and not all students would be able to do it at the same time. It also makes monitoring a lot easier for me as a teacher. So we got that question, so I will move on to the next one. This one is a drop dot sort of question where students take the red dot and put it where they think it should be. So this question says, where is the point of greatest velocity? So I think that the roller coaster is going to be moving at its greatest velocity right here at B. And again, this shows up on my teacher view, and then with this one especially, it's very easy to see where students are understanding and where misconceptions are. The interaction part of this technology tool comes in the fact that we're doing this in real time during class, so I will be able to see where students are and then address any misconceptions, which come up rather frequently when discussing physics. That will be my formative assessment, watching as the students interact with the questions, and then addressing all their misconceptions. I will also have the responses recorded so that I can go back through and analyze them more thoroughly later to see what needs to be addressed next in class. Peardeck is a cool tool, and that is how I'm going to use it in my science class. Thank you.